So today we're going to discuss the filters, okay, types of filters in Power BI. So it's very important and it's a interview question also. How many types of filters there in Power BI? So there are filters like a visualization level filter, page level filter, arch page level filters. Okay, I'll show you how it's work. Okay, I'm loading the data, new data, Excel workbook. Financial sample. So this is the table which I'm going to be used for my development. So this is the table. Load. So while loading the data, you can see the number of rows. Okay, how many rows are available in your data set. Okay, so the table has been loaded. So I am going to do like designing one application based on my filters. Okay, so here, so I have the charts, the visualization charts. So I'm going to select this. So for this chart, I'm taking, like, my requirement is sales versus country, like a country wise sales. So I'm selecting this. I'm selecting country here, and the sales. Okay, so these two columns I'm selecting for this chart, and I'll increase the text size and value size for this chart. Okay, so go to the format tab. So once if you select any of the visualization part, okay, then in the same this visualization pane, you can see the format tab also. Okay, so for example, I am selecting this visualization chart. So this is in selected mode. Okay, to format this visualization as required, you have to go here, format your visual, just click. Okay, so here you can see for y-axis, so this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, so for y-axis I am increasing the size of text. Okay, this one. So I'm looking bold color, the formats also, the color format also you can give. So I'm going to give this color. So this is for y-axis, for x-axis the same way. Okay, the values. Okay, now there are few formats also you can do. It's like so the values, so title also, so sales by country is there, so the title, so I can increase the title size. Okay, cool. So now, so there is a filter pane here, you can see all of you, there is a filter pane. You can see now filter on this page, filter on all pages. It's very important concept in real time also, in interview also, so try to understand. So here you can see, so there are by default field visualizations filters, so it will display in Power BI desktop where in reporting view. Okay, currently we are in reporting view. You can see this is called canvas, this is called filter pane, this is called visualization pane, this is called field pane. Okay, so we are talking about these filters. So here two filters are available, like for now, filter on this page, filter on all pages. Okay, if I click on this visualization, one filter will come into the picture. The filter is filter on this visual. Okay, until unless you are not selecting any visualization, it won't come into the picture. Okay, so if I click on canvas, like an in empty space, you can see that filter, it won't come into the picture. So you can see filter on this page, filter on all pages. If I click, if I select this visualization, not only this visualization, you keep any visualization which is available here, until unless you are not keeping in selection mode, this visualization filter won't come in picture. Okay, keep in mind. Now my requirement is, I want to put filter only on this visualization. Okay, only on this visualization. Like, so for this visualization I already used sales column, country column. Okay, but I want to present this sales only for few countries. The countries you can filter out it here. So Canada, France, Germany is there. I want only Canada, France, Germany. Only for these three countries the filter I want. Okay, you can see. So I filter out the data here only for this visualization. Okay, the same way, copy this visualization, Control C, Control V. I'll change this visualization in pie chart. Okay, you can copy paste and change in different chart also. Okay, I am selecting this. So for this visualization for different filter. Okay, so what I will do, country, so I am looking Mexico, United States. Okay, next. मी टँक भर गई का मी अल्ला नको. Okay, so here I have two countries data, so I have filtered out here. Okay, so I have filtered out here. Okay, so these two countries data I have filtered on visualization level. This is called visualization level filter. Okay, only for visualization level you can filter out your data, that is called filter on visual. Okay, and filter on all pages. Okay, I'll keep it these visuals. filter on this visual I am talking about. Okay, so in name only you can understand filter on this page. Only for this page the filter works. Okay, only for this page the filter. Like, what is that filter? Now, so I'll go to the new tab here. So I'm taking a one stacked bar chart. So I'm going to take country, profit. Okay, country versus profit, one pie chart. Sorry. Okay, control C, control V. The format, now this is my charts. Okay, the visualizations. So filter on this page. Okay, for this two charts, and I'll take one table format also here. Okay, here I am taking country, sales, profit. So this is the information. I'll increase the values. So select general, header icon, go to visuals, values, take in column header, increase the size. Okay, it should be in a selection mode, guys. Okay, it should be in selection mode. Now, so format painter, apply this format painter, apply this. It's not applicable. Okay, fine. Now my requirement is filter on this page I am talking about. Okay, filter on this page in the sense I am taking country here. Okay, Canada, France, Germany. Okay, these three filters, like Canada, France, Germany, for all these three visualization, I mean for all this page, only for this page, this is common filter. Okay, like this is common filter, this country is common filter for this whole page. Okay, that's called about filter on this page. Okay, I'm applying filter. For example, I want filter out the data. See, if you want to remove the filter, you have to select, you have to remove filter here. Okay, see, now I didn't apply any filter here. So there is a requirement called here. Everywhere I am taking profit by country. Here I will take a sales by country. Okay, here I will take sales by country. Okay, this is sales by country, this is profit by country, this is detail level report, sales profit for the country. Okay, now I want to filter out the data like year wise. Okay, so there is a data called, you just drag and drop, convert into as a slicer. Okay, in the slicer list. Okay, so 2013 2014 data is there, but in this visualization, I mean in this page, I want data only for 2013 for this page. Okay, I want this data belongs to 2013 and 2014. Okay, this visualization belongs to, you can see here, for 2013 this is the sales, for 2014 this is the sales. Okay, so all years data it is. For example, if you take it here for this chart, if you take year, So you can see it's taking as a number. So don't summarize. Okay, so uncheck this because taking as a number. Okay, you can see 2014 data, 2013 data. Okay, when I uncheck this two, so it's all about 2013 2014 data. Okay, now I want to restrict only 2013 sales for this page. In that scenario, what I will do, I'll go I'll go to this filter on this sorry, I have to unselect. So I'll go to the filter on this page. Okay, I'll take this year, I'll drop it here. Okay, so here you can see basic filtering. Okay, 2 years data. You can see here for 2013 170 rows, for 2014 525 rows. Okay, it's showing the total count of these 2 years. Okay, so I'm looking only for 2013 sales, right? You just click here. See, here also it's filter out, here also it's filter out. So this is called page level filters. Okay, this is called page level filter on this page. Only for this page I filter out. Okay, so that is called filter on this page, only for this page, guys. Is there any doubts? So this is a common filter, this is the only filter for this page. Okay, 2013 data filter out everywhere. Okay, you take whatever it is in this page, for this page it will filter out for 2013. Okay, so next, filter on all pages, filter on all pages. So what I will do, I'll go to this. So here I'll take this stacker chart. So here I'll take segment. So I'm taking segment and sales. Okay, segment wise sales I'm taking. So go to the visualization. So x-axis values, y-axis, under the values you can increase. Okay, so slicer which work as a filter. Okay, slicer which work as a filter. So I'll keep it here. So I'm taking segment here. Okay, this is a segment which is nothing but a filter. So increase the size of this filter. Okay, so my requirement is here I have this many pages. Okay, you just increase the size of. Okay, so I applied filter here. Okay, I applied filter for this visualization. Okay, just keep it all selection. Okay, just select this, apply all. Okay, now here page level filters I applied, just remove. Okay, now my requirement is filter on all pages. Okay, filter on all pages. Now so So I'm taking a table box here. So there is a segment, okay, segment. So this segment, and here is country, okay, sales. So segment wise sales I'm taking. Increase the size of the values, okay. So you can see here segment is there. In this segment, channel partner, enterprise, government, mid-market and small business, okay. So I am going to apply page level filters, okay, on segment level, okay, for all pages. So there is only few segments I want to be present, okay, that is common for all pages, okay. So you can see here, here also I'm taking a segment, okay. Here I'll take a segment column in this table, okay. Select this table visualization, take a segment, okay, take segment, okay. You want to place it this segment in second position, so you have to select this visualization table. So here for this visualization, whatever columns you have been using, it will be recorded here. So just drag and drop this like this, okay. Take from this position to that position. So you can see here the segment also. So in page, third page, here also segment is there, okay. Now I want here this many segments are there. I want only 3 segments, okay, for all pages. That is a common segment. For example guys, there is a departments, IT department, BPO, call center, HR, finance, but my data should be present only for IT and HR, okay, for all report, for all pages, okay. That is my requirement. The same way I'm presenting here. So you can apply anywhere, okay. Anywhere the page level filters will common for all pages, okay. Now I'll take a segment, okay. So I'm going to bring this segment filter on all pages, okay. So take this, bring it here. I am looking only enterprise, government, mid-market, okay. So that's all about filter on all pages, okay. You can see here it's filtered out the data, it's filtered the data and visualization also. You go to the next page, I mean page 2. See, only this segment only came into the picture, okay. Which segment? Enterprise, government, mid-market. That is only here. See, only these 3 only passing everywhere. For example, you take, okay, I am going to take here segment, okay. You see whether it's filtered out the data or not. See, only these 3 segments only passing everywhere. Go here, see, only the 3 segments are passing. So that's called about filter on all pages. The filter which you are applying for on this filter pane, like for all pages, it will be filtered out for that, okay. So that's called filter on pages. So there are 3 types of filters. So visualization filter, page level filter, all pages filters, okay. It's very important guys, keep in mind and to practice on this, okay. So next, so is there any doubts for the filter side, all of you? Okay, hope it's clear. Now I'm going to be add one new page. So you can drag and drop this in first position, second position, something like that, okay. You can drag and drop. So this is my landing page, okay. this is my landing page. So I'll keep it some logo, company logo, something like that. So here country sales, this is segment sales, you can rename. So this is, I can say, just sales. Okay, so that is my name. So you can navigate from this page to this pages. Okay, this is landing page, I can say. So I'll give the name called for this sales trend. Okay, that is name of my application. So here you can increase the size of okay. So here if you go to the view, you can see, sorry, go to the insert tab. Here buttons are there. Okay, buttons in insert tab, you can find out buttons. Click on this button, take a blank button. Okay, this one. Select this. So this is the button, guys. This is text box. This is a button. So place it in proper way. So you can see here when I click on button, you can see the button format button. So in general, you can give title of this button. Okay, the title, so country sales. Okay, country trends, I will give. Okay, the name of this button is country trends. So same, copy paste, copy paste, same. Now I'll make it this name. Okay, this name as a segment. So select this button, go to general, here in title give segment trend. Okay, segment trends. So go to this button, give a name called sales trend. Okay, sales trend. Now if I click on this button, it has to be navigate here. If I click on this, it has to navigate here. If I click, it has to navigate. Now go to this button, action is there, action, select on this action. So what action you want for this button? So page navigation, select the page navigation. Okay, so here what destination, okay, where you want to be navigated. So I am looking country sales. Okay, country sales. So country sales is this page. Okay, if I click on this button take me to this page. Okay, see, it's showing that press Ctrl and click. See, the page move to here. Now I want to go back from this page to landing page. Okay, from this page to landing page I want to go. The same way you have to create button here also. So go to, take a back button. So your wish. Okay, this is back button. If I click on this, this comes to here. Okay, the same way give a action for this segment trend. Go to the action, select. So what action? If I click on segment trends, it has to come segment page. Okay, select this page navigation, the destination is segment. Okay, that's it. The same way select this sales trend button, give action. If I select this sales trend button, it has to come to this page. Okay, select action, type is page navigation, which page you want to be. So I am looking, sorry, I am looking the page called sales. Okay, now select, see, it's coming to segment. Okay, from here I want to go back to the landing page. Okay, I don't want to go manually here, selecting these tabs and all. Through buttons only I want to be navigate to my application. Okay, that is my requirement. So remove this. Now I am keeping one more button here. It's called, I'll make it back. Okay, so if I bring it back button here, so immediate page back it will go. Immediately it goes to the back page. Okay, like see. So from here if I click, it's going back here. From here if I click sales trend. Okay, now the same way if I click on sales trend button, so it's coming to sales trend button. Here also what I do, I'll bring it button, I'll take it back button, so I'll place it here. It's nothing but a home button, guys. Okay, I'm using that is as a home button. So select on this button, so it's going to trend. So if I click on this, it's coming to country sales. If I click on this, it's going back to main landing page. If you click on this, it's go to segment. If I click on this, it's move to trend. If I click on this, it's go to here. If I click on this, it's come back to the landing page. Okay, next, view. Okay, so what type of visualization you want to be present here? Okay, what type of like a themes? Okay, now take this, so you can go and see everywhere. Okay, Now I changed my theme. So if I operate from here, it's going back to here. So the button which I used, so the buttons and all, it should be in a proper position, guys. Okay, so you can see in which position this button here, 117917. Okay, the position of this button 117917. Go here, 117917, select this position 1179. What is that? 1179 79. See whether it's in a correct position or not. General, properties, position 17, guys. Okay, 17 it is 1179 17. Position 17. Okay, 1179 17. Same way. Properties, position 1179 17, and the height, the size of button also. Okay, the size of the button you can see in general same. So here 7500. Okay, the size, height and the width 7500. Same way I'll change it 7500, because the application should like same 7500. Okay, 7500. General, properties 75. I mean I'm making the same, I'm making in same position and size. Okay, so application in the sense it should be looks like same. Okay, a user has to be think like it is in a same page, it's operating from different level. Okay, so this is my, so I just highlight this panes, fields pane, visualization pane, filter pane. Okay, now you can operate from here. Click on this, going back to landing page. Next is segment trend, so it's going to segment sales. Again go back, click on this sales trend, you can see this. Okay, so this is how you can operate from landing page to different pages. Okay, so this is all about filters and buttons for this class. Now, so there is one requirement called, I am selecting something, though this is also important, guys. Okay, so here this is also interview question, guys. How you want, you can shape it to your visualization. Now my requirement is user selecting something here, here, here. Okay, user are selecting something in visualization like that. So but he has to clean everywhere the filters. Okay, so for example, see, by mistake user selected France. In the France he selected some segment enterprise. Okay, so it's kind of confused, like when you operating Flipkart or Amazon, you applied so many filters. Okay, you went there and you went selected price, color, brand, location, so many things, but you got confused. So you want to make it again from beginning. Okay, so you want to be clear your filters, the selections, whatever you selected, you are getting confused, you don't want, so you want to be clear picture. Okay, that is the case here. Now this is no filters data. Okay, no filters data. So what I'll do, bookmark, click on bookmark, because guys I'm not selecting anything here. Okay, just remember I'm not selecting anything here. So what I'll do, I'll capture this clean selection mode. I mean this page nothing is selected here. Okay, this page nothing is selected. So I want to be show something to you. So there is a field map, guys. Okay, there is a field map. You can place it this visualization also. Okay, this visualization. So here country is there, right? Select a country. So sales. Okay, so this map also you can present here. Okay, now I want to be clear selection whenever the user select on the button. Okay, so I'm not selecting anything. You can see the complete countries are there. If in case user wants to be clear, okay, clear, if you clear on button, it has to be clear everything. Okay, so for example I'm selecting France here. For the France I'm selecting enterprise. Okay, so for the enterprise this all countries coming. I don't want to be like that. Okay, so if user will select, click on any of the button like this, it has to be clear. Okay, that is my requirement. Now the page completely in a clear selection mode. Go to the bookmark, here add bookmark. So I am giving a name. Okay, I am giving a name, add. So I am giving clear selection. Okay, clear selection, I am giving name for my bookmark. Okay, clear selection, that's it. Okay, clear selection, I added a bookmark on clear selection. Now what I will do, go to insert tab, take a button. Okay, blank button, your wish, you can give anything. So I'll give the name of this button. Okay, in general the title of the button called clear selections. Okay, I'm just giving clear selection. So this is my button. Okay, for example I'm selecting something here. Okay, if I click on this button the selection will go. Okay, the same way. So I have to be give properties for this button. Okay, go to action, on. So for this button I am giving action, what this button has to do. Okay, so the type is bookmark. I say I created bookmark, right? So you have to select the bookmark. So on bookmark, what is a clear selection? Okay, that's all. Now we'll see how this button works. I'm selecting France here. I'm selecting segment enterprise here. Okay, I don't want to be see like this. Okay, like I want to be make it clear picture of the button. Okay, I'm just reshaping the data. So click, see it's came back. So I'm selecting something here. Okay, so click on this selection one, it's came back to picture. The same way for all you can keep it this button. Okay, for all pages you can keep it this button. Control C, Control V. Okay, so select something here, selecting something here, click on this selection. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so you can place it these all buttons like to navigate these pages. Click on this button, it's take you to this place. Select any one, anything you want. So just select and click on this clear selection button so that the page coming to the original selection mode. Okay, so this is how we'll present the data for the user. Okay, and you can shape the data as you want. You can shape the data as you want. Okay, so that's all about filters, page level filters, visualization filter, all pages level filter, and buttons and bookmark. Okay, so we discussed button and in view bookmark. Okay, so do practice guys, it's very important concept. They will ask what is buttons, what is bookmark. Okay, and what is the page what type of filters there in Power BI. So this is the mandatory interview questions. Okay, so that's all about today class.
Bro, I have one doubt.
Yeah, please.
We are using buttons for navigating the pages.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah, we are using buttons for navigating the pages, no, bro.
Correct.
If you want to go to the immediate page, like if we are in a landing page, if you want to go to country sales, which button we need to use, bro?
Yeah, so immediately you want to be go from this page, from this page.
Is the page to country sales?
Okay, from this to right.
Landing page to country sales. Yes.
A landing page to country sales, huh?
Country sales.
Yeah, so here I created buttons right for all pages. See, this is country trend. Okay, if I click on this, it's coming to country sales. Correct. Again, if
Yes.
I yeah, again if I want to go back to the landing page, you have to click on this back button. It's come back to landing page. And there is a scenario, and one more thing, you can keep all buttons for all pages. Okay, so I have this three pages, three buttons. Okay, country, segment, sales. Okay, country, segment, sales. For example, instead of coming to landing page from this country page, you want to go for segment and sales from this page through button. Correct, that is what you are asking, Teja.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, so what you have to do, so you have to create one more button called here. So there are stuff, you are in country sales, you want to be go to either segment or sales from this page. Okay, so you have to create one more button So go to insert button. Okay, take a button for blank, so you can place it somewhere here. Okay, so I'll give the title of that, I mean what page it going to take you. Okay, so segment I'll give. Okay, segment. Okay, segment. Okay, what segment says, so give the action here. So if I click on this, it has to take me segment. So action, take page navigation. So what is the destination? If you click on that button, it has to take me segment. Okay, the same way I'll place it one more button, Control C, Control V, keep it here. I'll give name called sales. Okay, go to general, I'll give title here, sales. So sales button, action. So page navigation, which page you want to go? So sales page. Okay, you can see, so from this page you can go to the next page or this page. Okay, so if I click on this, it's going back. Okay, got it? So
Yeah.
yeah, you have to be like understand from which page to which page you want to be go. From here you can give the rest of pages names. Got it? From this segment you can place the button, the rest of pages are there, sales and the country sales, that pages you can give, so you can operate from here. Okay, so it's all about your understanding. If I click on sales button, it's take me sales button. Okay, so this is how we will create the buttons. So you know, you can put number of buttons, okay, number of things which you want, but you have to be understand how it works. Okay, that's the matter here. And you can give the title of this. So what I do, text box, so I'll give title called okay. You can give name of your application. Okay, for this is country analysis, this is I'll give segment analysis, I'll give this is sales analysis. Okay, so that's the thing. So here the user also will give any logo or any background. Okay, that just depends on your user, so you can place it like I'm just taking this. Okay, just an example. So just imagine this is your logo, customer logo. Okay, if your customer wants to such logos, you can place it like this somewhere in the corner. something like that. Okay, so the background, the logos, okay, the company, some standards are there, so that and all will be provided by customer. Yes, sometimes they will tell you, so get it from the Google, make it. Okay, so that's all about these buttons and filters and bookmarks. Okay, it's very important, guys. Do practice. So upcoming session tomorrow, no class. Monday I will take it. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay then, chalo, bye bye.